Don't you dare pay this much money for a portable air conditioner. That's crazy. It's 105 degrees here in California. I just got home and I found out that my portable air conditioner arrived. This is the 10,000 BTU. It actually comes with everything that I need to set it up. So all the attachments for the window, the vent, everything there.
Dang, you got it all set up already?
Yeah, it was actually super easy. I ran it to the window, hooked up the whole panel right here to make sure no hot air gets in. Hooked it up to here, hooked it up to the back of it. It's good to go. I'm actually at the air set at 67 right now. 67, guys. I have the remote right here that I can control it from, which you can turn it on to cool. You got fan mode, high, works really good. I definitely recommend go get one. Link down below.